What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show you the Rlaarlo's new product. Now it's a 1/10 speedrun car. Now let's unbox it. The prototype is the Porsche 917. It's a 1/10 gears. Wow. It's a carbon fiber Texas box. Carbon fiber Texas. Here it is. This is the manuals, the chargers, and the stickers. And this is the sport gears and some other option change gears. Now mine is a red one, and look at it. And I also bought another. This is a Golf liveries bodies. It's so beautiful. Transmitters. Wow, look at these carbon fiber wings. Wow, this is two metal gears. Now this is, sorry, I don't know what is the turn of the gears. It's a golden colors, and it's metals. It's a sport gear. And this is must be the pinion gear. It didn't show you the turn of the gears. That's all. Let's see the transmitters first. Look at it. Just the normal transmitters. Four channel, maybe four channels. Let's see the bodies. Wow. Wow, so beautiful. First, we should detach the wires. Okay, look at these bodies. The official set is 2 millimeters, but I think it didn't have 2 millimeters, because if you have speedrun bodies just like the Delta Plastics, the 2 millimeters bodies is solid than this, just like. But the body is so beautiful. It even has the headlights. Look at it. A headlights for speedrun cars, so skilled, and it has even a fence. Small spoilers. Look at it. This is a carbon fiber versions. Oh, it even has a battery in here. A backup tires, just like the real cars, and exhaust It also has a less exhausted and the brake light and the turning lamp. This is a 3.5 millimeters carbon fiber chassis, and the ESC is a 120 amps ESC. It can up to 4S, and this is a 3660 motors. Now let's see the batteries. This batteries is 3300 milliamp hours, and let's see, it's a 2S batteries. Hard body battery is 2S, so I will use a 4S to run this. Look at this chassis. Look at the battery trees here. It even has the foams here to protect the batteries. Now this is a receivers here. Wow, a lot of. There is channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3. Channel 3 must be channel 1, channel 2. I don't know where is the channel 3. Channel 3. And even a lot of light controls here. Front light, the fans, and the tail light. Oh, by the way, this is a tail light. Wow. So if you want the chassis for speed runs, you should remove the backup tires and look at this aluminum wheels. You should also remove the aluminum brake discs. Wow, this car is a little bit heavier. Let's see the springs here. Oh, the springs is so soft for speed runs. Look at it. No bounce. By the way, look at these springs here. So with it, the shaft can be straight when the RPMs is so high, just like the ZD racings. Wow, the tuning systems is so accurate. So next, I will use another carbon fiber chassis, maybe like the normal 1/10 gears chassis. ESCs put here, and a long motors, 2 batteries, 6S or even 8S. So this is a perfect speed run chassis with factories, carbon fiber chassis, carbon fiber breeze, and even the carbon fiber shock towers. A lot of carbon fiber. And you can even see the aluminum parts here. So you don't need to buy some other option parts. And the nylon parts are so cheap for this cars. If you have crashed them, you can buy it. So I think it's a perfect chassis for the speedrunner noobs and even the speedrunner professors. perfect, so beautiful. Now first I will test the factory speed, all factory ESCs, and maybe I will use up to 4S. I will test all the factory speeds, and then I will use a Mouse X8S, maybe TB motors or castle motors, or even use these factory motors. I think this motors is made by Sports Hobbies. Look. Now that's all about these cars unboxings. Please make comments down below, thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.